And at Delegate Assembly, that is one avenue for trustees to be able to get together, hear what's going on across the whole state, and actually put your voice in to say, this is what's vital to us. Lawmakers, as you're working on things, this helps our kids or this hurts our kids.
As I've done it every year and kind of gone to grassroots meetings and joined the LAC, or the Legislative Advisory Council, it has really helped me learn more about the issues at hand.
We got to do something to engage board members from every district to understand they need to send a delegate and an alternate. And it really helps TASB understand, and that board understand, what the needs are of all 1,035 school districts, not just 400 or 500 of them.
You're there to represent your community, but we're also parents. We also have jobs, and it's hard for us to break away to always be at the Capitol advocating.
And when they're talking about legislation that's going to impact our kids in the classroom, that's going to impact our ability to provide that future workforce, then we need to be a part of that.
Grassroots and Delegates Assembly has been incredible in terms of understanding I do have a voice, I am heard there. We take care of business there, which allows me to come back to my district and advocate in a consistent way for our schools.
The collective voice of those delegates at Delegate Assembly really creates our advocacy agenda, which is really the cornerstone by which we operate and by which we endeavor to serve the needs of our members. Because first and foremost, we're here for our members.